How to fix Snapchat not working on your mobile data. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can fix if your Snapchat isn't working on mobile data, but it is working perfectly fine on Wi-Fi. Well, first things first, you want to check if it is not the app issue, that is the connectivity issue. To do so, make sure that your Snapchat is working on Wi-Fi and it is not just working on the data. Now, how you can fix this issue, right? To do so, it probably means if it is not working on mobile data only, it probably means that your data connection to Snapchat has been cut off. So you have to enable it back again. To do so, you want to open up settings. Then on your settings, head over to cellular. Now this is for iPhone, right? On Android as well, it's pretty similar. Head over to settings, head over to app, and there you can find the cellular option. Now here under cellular on iPhone, you can simply see the options here. Scroll down and you can see current period and you can see Facebook, Instagram. Now if it is disabled, it won't be working on data, so you want to make sure it is enabled and toggle it back on. This is how you can fix Snapchat not working on mobile data. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe.